Hello, buddy. You're here with Nanopure. Coming at you live is Hugo Barema with a bachelor's in biology slash pre-med, currently working on his master's in biomedical engineering. Myself, Ahmad Alafuni, with a bachelor's in international business and currently working on my general MBA. And Stephanie Vasquez, who has a bachelor's in biology, currently working on her master's in biomedical engineering. Illustrated in the slide, you can see that we use SolidWorks to design our filter. Our filters can be as simple as a one-layer filter to multiple layers. In this slide, it illustrates contaminated water going into our nanofiltration system, allowing the carbon nanofilter to catch all the contaminants and producing water free of contaminants at the end of the process. This slide points out some contaminants that can be filtered with our nanofilter technology, like copper, dioxin, phenol, uranium, and selenium. Keeping in mind that most competitors with the microfilters only filter a few of these at a time, and actually some microfilters do not filter or are not able to filter any of these contaminants. This slide illustrates our value proposition. As you can tell, in Detroit, the water was contaminated so poorly that they actually didn't allow the students to drink out of the water fountains. We're hoping that with our nanofilter technology, we will be able to filter and clean that water for them to be able to drink again. Also, we are offering changeable filters, so every month you'll be able to have a clean filter. As for our customer segments, we will provide testing services to find out if the filters are necessary. To areas where they are known to be or known to have contaminated water, we will offer them a water test for $20. And if it's necessary, we will provide them with the filter to filter out their water. We're going to also offer a rent-to-own service, which will allow customers to own after 2 years of continuous payments. As for channels, we're going to provide our product through any home improvement stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, any of those home improvement stores. You would be able to purchase our test kit, give us a sample, and mail it in. Also, heavy online marketing as well as newspaper advertising. As for our customer relationships, to get customers, we're going to illustrate the potential benefits of the cleaner water. Pretty much let them know that, hey, if you have contaminated water, we have a solution to providing you clean water without contaminants. To keep customers, we're going to continuously provide them high quality replacement filters on time, and we're going to also give them a good customer service experience. To grow our customers, we're going to extend the same service involving other contaminated households. Also, we're going to target companies and organizations as well as schools that might benefit from our filters and or tests. As for our revenue streams, our strategy would be providing a monthly service as well as a rent-to-buy service, which will allow the customer to pay a monthly basis rather than a one lump sum. And we're going to have a basic, gold, and premium service. The values will be healthy, affordable water, continuous and precise data analysis, as well as suitable filters for the filtration. Our key partners, some strategic alliances would be the Detroit Water and Sewage Department. We're hoping that they would be willing to sponsor us for data collection, and health insurance companies as well as governments. For our joint venture, we're thinking sophisticated water testing companies as well as carbon nanotube factories. We see a hopeful future partnership with the purifiers with their TruRead technology, providing us hopefully in the future with consistent data regarding the contamination of the water and the contamination levels. Some of our key activities: production, problem solving by consulting and advancing our technology. Also, our supply chain management. We're going to improve the quality of our products, have more accurate data, and be able to detect customer needs and cater to them as well. Some key resources. For financing, we are hoping on sponsors. As for physical, we would need a factory as well as vehicles that would help our employees get to different households that might need help with our product. And intellectual, patents or engineered ideas. And for human, we're looking for workers and scientists as well as engineers. As for our cost structure, we priced our model at $495.07. How we got this roundabout idea is because we took the prices of two of our closest competitors and we took the average of their products. We are estimating with the Detroit Water and Sewage Department with 200,000 accounts, we're assuming that we get 18% of those, which will be around 36,000 accounts. That will leave us with a monthly total revenue of $1,080,000 to $1,800,000. Thank you for your time, everyone, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.